Alright, hello, let's take a look at section number 3. Okay, so we're working with balance sheets. Just another simple way to always show that the accounting equation is in balance. And if it's not, how to go about fixing it. So let's take a look here. We have, on October 31st, the Hess Company's accounting equation indicated the following account balances, and nothing is quite as scary as accounting, so Halloween is appropriate. So, got a couple of transactions here. Have our accounts listed. We have cash, supplies, and prepaid insurance on the asset side, and our liabilities are accounts payable to the Hewlett Company and our owner's equity for Jim Hess's capital, as well as our balances right underneath here. Okay, you should be fairly familiar with that from the last couple sections. So let's take a look and fill in, using our October 31st balances, the balance sheet for Hess Company. So, first thing's your heading. Top line of every heading is the company name. So you're going to put Hess Company. Simple enough. Second line is exactly what is this form, what am I looking at? So you're going to be looking at a balance sheet. Can't type today. Balance sheet. And your third line is the date. Okay, they told you it's October 31st. We'll assume it is for this year. Just going to fill in October 31, 2017. Okay, if Excel formats it to something else, that's fine with me. Not a big deal. Okay, so your balance sheet is split into two different columns and two amount columns to go with those. Okay, the left side of your balance sheet is reserved for any asset accounts. So you label it by doing the heading Assets. And that goes in the middle of the first line on the left side. Okay, and then underneath you're going to list each of your asset accounts, which we have up here. We have cash, supplies, prepaid insurance. So you're going to put cash, supplies, prepaid insurance. Now, if you're not too familiar with Excel, if you want to align this is censored. We want it to the left, so you go up here to the top. Right there, click on that button. That'll align it to the left. And align to the left. Okay. You do the exact same thing on the other side. So, liabilities is a heading. So that goes in the middle. Underneath it, you're going to put to the left any liability accounts. We only have the one. Accounts payable. Hewlett Company. Alright, that's our only liability. So the next line down you put another heading. Your owner's equity accounts. And that is Jim Hess Capital going right there. Take this to the left. Alright, so that's how it's going to look. Headings go centered. Underneath it to the left, all of the accounts in that category. Alright. Now in the amounts column, you just put whatever these amounts are. So cash was $2,400. You put $2,400. Supplies, $300. Prepaid insurance, $600. Accounts payable, $250. Jim Hess has $3,050 in his capital, like so. Alright, next line down, bottom line of this whole thing, we do have to extend. Okay, if you don't know the space, the great thing about Excel is we can easily extend it, so you highlight the cells. Let's fill it in yellow. Fill these in with the same blue so that it looks consistent. Alright. Now about this column, we're going to highlight those two cells. Merge and center. Highlight. Merge and center. Again, crash course in Excel, just because I didn't get to this point. Merge and center. Merge and center. If you want to see the grid lines, Very simple. Highlight that whole row, go up to this little box, click on it, and go down to all orders. Okay, so now we're good to go. Our last line, very straightforward. You put total assets, make that font a little bit bigger. There we go. Okay, so we're going to take our total assets, add up 2,400 plus 300 plus 600, but with the beauty of Excel, just do a formula. Like so. So we get 3,300. Now, hopefully, we get that on this side as well. So we're going to do the same thing. Total by center, a little bit bigger. Okay, 250 plus 350. 3050, my bad. Just like that, we have 3,300. 3,300, that is good to go. All we have to do now is rule it. Okay, so ruling, you do a single line underneath anywhere you did addition, and a double line under any totals. Okay, so the easiest way to do that in Excel, go back up here to your grid box, go down to line style, let's pick a thick line here, underneath where you added, so I can see that you added those up. Let's change our line style to the double line, or a dotted line, or something that will be easy to see. Let's do a dotted line right underneath, right underneath. Alright. You'll see basically the same thing. You will have to add another line underneath there, just practice that. Okay, the application looks a little bit different. Okay, this time they're giving you the account titles. You put if it's on the left side or the right side, and also what type of account it is. So cash is an asset account. Assets always go on the left. Okay, so on and so forth, filling in just like that. Good luck.